friends, today me and Sparsh, hello, are gonna make some quillings. So come on, let's start making the quillings. Hello friends, it's me back again. So we are gonna make some quilling. All we need is this quilling roller and this quilling strip. This quilling strip has a tab to stick it easier, so I don't need a quilling glue. Okay, so yeah, let's start making it. Take this quilling roller. Make sure the tab faces you. Tab faces you. Then take the edge, put it inside this hole. Start rolling. When you're done, pull out the paper on the trap. Be careful, don't tear the paper away. When you're done, take the thing out. If you need to loosen it, do not stick it first. Take it out, loosen it. When we're done, we get a shape like this. As I'm making a leaf to decorate the page border, so we need to make a teardrop first. We need to make a shaped teardrop. After we take the shaped teardrop, press it out from this side. Then take some quilling glue. As I showed you that this area is folded, the leaf may bend and break. So we shall stick that area. When we stuck it, our leaf is ready. Let it to dry. When your leaf is ready, you can just stick it. Your leaf is ready. As I made only one leaf, but before I already made this, so I have to just join. But yeah, you can also make this. It's very easy. All you need to do is make two circles, as I did first to make this. Then attach it with a piece of paper so that it gets attached hardly. Then make some more leaves like that and take a thin strip of paper. Look, I just took a thin strip of paper, attach it to the circles like this over here, and then stuck some leaves to it. Okay, now take some more glue. Put it the edge where you stuck it. When you apply some glue, take it and stick it to the strip. Now let it dry. When it's dried, take it and take a card. Then you can just apply it on the card like this. Remember to stick every single area. When you are done, let it to dry. After it's dried, your card will look somewhat like this. Thank you. Bye friends. See you in the next video.
Hello friends, I am Tanvi and I am going to help you to make a flower. So, all the things that you need is a quilling strip and a quilling roller. We'll also need some quilling glue, but I'll show it how we can stick with it later. So, first what you do, we take the quilling strip and take the roller. Put the strip inside the roller and start rolling. When you reach over here, I forgot to mention about the stab. In some quills, there will be this sticky portion. So when you remove this paper, it becomes sticky like glue. So just remove the paper and keep it aside. And just keep rolling. After you're done, you can just take off it. Since I need to do a loose coil, I take it off. I make it all equal. And I start to loosen it by widening my fingers. After you're done with your width, you can put the stick it and it'll become a loose coil for you. Like this. Now, since I have to make a petal-like shape for flower, I have to pinch these both sides and also like this for the width and the size, and keep rolling until you have your adjustments for the petal. After you're done, you can keep it over here and let it to dry for some time. It'll be sticky. After when it's dried, I made a flower over here. I took a tight coil and I made some more petals like this, how I made it right here. So what I'm gonna do is, I showed you earlier this quilling glue. Now take your petal and take the glue. First apply some glue over here and stick it to the flower. Now set this flower to dry. After your flower is dried, you can apply it to any card or paper. So that's it. This is how we can make a flower. Hope you enjoyed.